This is how to change the cabin filter on your Ford KA. This is a 2014 model, later shape, Fiat 500 based one. The cabin filter is located behind the pedals on a right-hand drive, or under the glove box if it's left-hand drive. Just up there. This is how to change it. It's hiding behind this plastic strip here. Now you can see there, just get it in the shot there, there's a hole for a screw. There's another one further up there as well for a screw. You may or may not have screws in it. If you have, then it's usually either a 5 or a 6mm socket, but if you're lucky like this one, you literally just pull it out and it's held in with friction. There we go, and that's the strip. That's the second hole further up. A little bit fiddly to get out. If you can't get it out with your fingers, something like that is really handy just to get it started. And literally just undo the little one out. Make sure you line it up with the airflow arrows pointing into the car. And then, a bit fiddly because on these right-hand drives we've got the steering column and the pedals in the way. But it's definitely doable, if not the easiest one. There we go, that's in and it's happy. Last thing, get your plastic cover, slide it up, make sure you get it under the wiring loom at the top. Pop it in, and that's it. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.